The National Electrical Code does not permit the use of 12/2 or 14/2 NMB cable, commonly known as Romex, as travelers in a three-way switch loop. There are specific reasons why this practice is not compliant with electrical safety standards. An NMB cable is designed and approved for specific applications, and its use in a three-way switch traveler configuration presents several issues. Firstly, an NMB cable is not rated for use in wet or damp locations. While it's suitable for dry indoor environments, its insulation and overall construction are not designed to withstand moisture. Electrical codes prioritize safety, and using NMB in potentially damp environments increases the risk of electrical hazards. Secondly, an NMB cable is not specifically rated or intended for use as a traveler cable in a three-way switch circuit. Traveler wires in a three-way switch system carry current intermittently depending on the switch positions. This constant switching and potential for different voltage levels and the travelers require a cable and insulation type that is specifically designed for this purpose. An NMB cable's insulation and construction may not be adequate for the demands placed on traveler wires. The National Electrical Code mandates that travelers in a three-way switch loop be installed in a raceway or with a cable specifically approved for the purpose. This typically means using individual conductors like THHN, which stands for thermoplastic high heat resistant nylon, or a cable assembly that is rated for the intended application. THHN wire is a common choice for travelers. It has several advantages. Firstly, THHN is rated for use in both wet and dry locations. Its insulation is moisture resistant, making it suitable for environments where dampness might be present. Secondly, THHN wire has a high heat resistance rating, allowing it to withstand the temperature variations that can occur in electrical circuits. Thirdly, THHN is a general-purpose built-in wire that is widely available and relatively easy to work with. When installing THHN wire as travelers, it must be run inside a conduit or other approved raceway system. Conduit provides physical protection for the wires and helps to contain any potential electrical faults. Some other approved cables could include THHW. When working with electrical systems, it's essential to follow all applicable codes and regulations to ensure safety. If there is uncertainty about the correct wiring methods or cable types, consulting with a qualified electrician is always the best course of action. An electrician can assess the specific installation conditions and ensure that the wiring complies with all relevant requirements. Improper wiring can create fire hazards, shock hazards, and other dangerous situations. Therefore, it is essential to use the correct materials and methods. Re-identifying the white wire, while a common practice to indicate it's being used as an ungrounded conductor, does not change the fundamental limitations of NMB cable. The code prohibits using the white wire as an ungrounded conductor in certain applications, such as switch loops, unless it's permanently re-identified with colored tape or paint, but this doesn't override the cable's suitability for the intended environment and purpose. The requirement to use a suitable cable or wiring method like THHN in conduit addresses both the environmental concerns and the electrical demands of the traveler wires. In summary, the master electrician is correct in stating that using 12/2 or 14/2 NMB cable as travelers in a three-way switch loop is not permitted by the NEC. The code requires the use of cables or wiring methods that are specifically approved for the purpose, such as THHN wire installed in conduit, to ensure safety and compliance.